Its court in Mpumalanga will today deliver judgment in the bail application of two men accused of forcing farm worker Victor Mlotshwa into a coffin. Willem Oosthuizen and Theo Martin Jackson allegedly beat Mlotshwa, forcing him into the coffin and threatening to set it alight. The incident was recorded on a cell phone and it went viral last month. In their bail application, the men admitted their actions were negligible, but said they did not mean any harm. They've been charged with kidnapping, assault with intent to do grievous bodily harm. The application was opposed last week due to threats by the residents of Middleburg. And with that, let us once again cross to our reporter who's covering the case for us, Mweli Masilela. He's live from Middleburg this morning. Mweli, it's a very good morning to you once again. A little bit earlier when you spoke to you, it sounded a little bit noisy, and I would want to believe that political parties are already making their way to the court like we've seen with the previous bail applications.
Good morning once again to you, Palisa, and the viewers. Yes, you'll know that earlier when we spoke, it wasn't busy outside court, but now it's starting to be busy. As you can see that just behind me, there is quite a number of people that we can see. The people have started to trickle into court. We have seen family members of the two accused getting into court, and also some members of the community. Police are also leaving nothing to chance here. As you would know that on the previous appearance, that was Friday last week, we saw that there was some commotion inside court whereby members of the EFF and those of the ANC had some disagreements with family members of the accused in terms of the sitting arrangement. In fact, the presiding officer, that is the magistrate advocate Jongilizwe Dumehleli, had to call people to order and told them to say that if they are not behaving inside court, they will then be chucked out. That is why today we are seeing that there is more police presence compared to the previous court appearances. But then also we can say that there's already members of different political parties starting to arrive outside court in a bid to oppose the bail application for the two accused. Also, you'll know that this case has attracted a lot of media coverage, not only locally but also beyond the borders of South Africa. So we're seeing that already there are some media houses arriving here. We're expecting that by 9 o'clock court proceedings will start, because that is what we have observed in the previous court cases, that the court proceedings started on time. And we will let our viewers know, obviously, about what transpires inside court, as we expect the magistrate to deliver that judgment on whether the two accused are getting bail or not.
All right, thank you so much for that update. That's our reporter live from Middleburg in Mpumalanga, Mweli Masilela, updating us. But the proceedings will start at 9 o'clock, like he mentioned. Do stay tuned to SABC News Channel 404 for the latest regarding